Heading to the tide pools, Bolinas, Agate Beach. Hi.
There's a dead whale over there.
It's not. That's their lawn chair. At the tide pools, how's it going? What have we seen? Some anemones, some fish, some crabs. Here is like a whale arm or something.
Yeah. This was dead.
Out at the tide pools, Nina and Mom are over there if you can see them. Got the
Beautiful.
brochies.
Beautiful over there too.
Point Reyes National Seashore, not disappointing. Think it's pretty nice, Dex? The dunes. What do you see, Nina? Top, Point Reyes. The lighthouse is down there somewhere.
It's too foggy to see.
You can kind of see the ocean. Whole bunch of elephant seals. A little otter down there just playing.
I see two otters. Birds, pelicans. The otter's a fish.
Down there somewhere is a jellyfish.
Right
Oh my gosh, are you... You have to be 10 feet tall or so. Here we are at the Cypress Tunnel. It's pretty cool. Having a good time at Point Reyes National Seashore. Beautiful light.